Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my simple weekly wash day routine that's going to help you grow your hair faster, thicker, healthier, and longer. Recently here, I had a major setback. I lost a lot of my hair and I decided to start my journey over. So this is one of the methods that I have been using for the past few months to restore my natural hair. And let me tell you sis, it is working. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I use my all-natural aloe vera oil to restore my hair back to healthy. Alright, so I had these two braids in from the last time I washed and braided my hair. So it has been about 1 week and today we're going to be taking them out and washing it. Alright family, so I'm going to start out in the shower here. I'm just going to go ahead and take my braids out and start the wash process. I normally don't wash my hair open, but as you can see, there is a drastic difference between what my hair looks like now than what it used to look like before. So now I can actually wash my hair open without worrying about it getting tangled. But I encourage you to always braid your hair or twist it up if you're going to wash it, especially if it's natural, because that is going to save you a lot of time. It's going to save your hair from getting tangled, and it's also going to make the process easy for you. But again, I'm used to doing this, so I can actually wash my hair open, and I have strategies that I'm going to show you here that's going to make it easy for you as well. Alright family, so I'm in the shower, and because I'm washing my hair open, I'm going to stand under the shower because this is going to make it easy. I do use warm water to wash my hair because it makes your hair softer, and it also opens up your cuticles and helps clean your scalp and your hair a little better. So even though I have my hair opened with the braids out, I'm still washing it section by section just to make sure that I don't get too much tangle. So all I'm doing is I do go ahead and make sure that my hair is nice and wet, and then I go back in with my shampoo, apply it to my scalp and my hair shaft, and then I go ahead and start to scrub. I don't rub my hair together because this is going to cause a lot of tangle. So I focus my attention more on my scalp, and then I go ahead and glide the shampoo through the shaft of my hair, and then I go back in with my detangling brush or a wide tooth comb just to comb it or detangle it and make sure that I get all of the dirt, debris, and tangles out. Then I go and do the same thing to the other side, and then I move on to applying my shampoo one more time throughout my entire hair, making sure again that my scalp is nice and clean. And how I'm able to know this is when the soap is nice and white and very, very foamy. When your hair has a lot of buildup and it's dirty, you can tell from the shampoo because at first you're not going to feel the effect of the shampoo. It's going to feel like you're not even applying shampoo to your hair. So you have to apply the shampoo a few times, rinse it out, and then once you start to see that the foam looks white and your hands can glide through your hair a little better, that's when you know that your hair is clean or it's getting clean. I did go ahead and apply my shampoo a few times, and then I went back in with my conditioner, let it sit a little bit as I took my shower, and then I came back and rinsed my hair out. Alright family, so we are done in the shower. This is what my hair looks like. A lot of you have asked about my curl patterns, the porosity of my hair. I honestly don't focus on that stuff. I just know that I want my hair to be clean, nice, healthy, and grow thicker and longer. So that is what I put my focus on. I do know that my hair is a little on the softer side, and if I do apply certain kind of hair products, it makes my hair look like I have like curly hair. But again, I do not focus on that at all. I just know that my hair shrinks a lot because of the tightness of my curl pattern. So anyway, I did grab a leave-in conditioner to spray on my hair. This is a water-based leave-in conditioner, and this is just to help again loosen up my curls a little bit so I can detangle it and then apply my oil. So I'm just using my fingers here to, I guess, finger comb or finger detangle my hair. As you can see here, my hair is fully natural. I had a lot of damage, a lot of split ends, a lot of, I guess, heat damage, and my hair was looking sad, y'all. It was looking really, really sad. So what I've done here is wash my hair every single week. week. And every time I wash my hair, I grab a pair of scissors and cut out anything that looks uneven. And now I feel like I have a nice healthy fro, and it's really growing, y'all. It's gotten thicker. My curls look really good. So I might do a wash and go style so you all can see what I'm talking about as far as my curl patterns go. Alright family, so after my leave-in conditioner and finger detangling, I'm going to go back in with my aloe vera hair growth oil from nimbaluxe.com. And I grab the bottle, pinch the dropper to get a lot of the oil into it, and then I use the dropper to squeeze the oil on my scalp. I do this a few times until I feel like I got every single section of my hair. And as I told you all in my last video, this is my daughter's favorite part of her wash day routine. This is also my favorite part because one of the main ingredients of this oil is mint, and the mint feels really nice and tingling on the scalp. It helps make the blood flow, and it just gives you that clean feeling. So it feels really good when I put the oil on my scalp. So after using the dropper to basically put the oil all over my scalp, I just grab my bottle, pour a little bit of the oil in my hands, and then rub it on the rest of my hair. Again, my main focus with this is my scalp. So I just go ahead and massage my scalp really good with the oil on my scalp and the rest of the oil on my hand, and it feels so good, y'all. From the massage to the mint to the lightness of the oil, it just feels really good. The oil is not heavy at all. It's not super greasy. It's very light, and it feels really good on the scalp. And it just does what it's supposed to do without creating a whole lot of mess. Alright, so after oiling my scalp, I'm just going to go back in and section off my hair and detangle it again. As I told you all, my hair shrinks a lot because of the curls, so I have to do this section by section. So as you can see here, I do have a tiny little section in the back here. I'm using my comb to detangle it, and I'm also using my comb in certain areas because my hair did get tangled in some areas. And this is what I meant by twisting or braiding your hair before you wash it. Had I done it that way, I would have saved a lot of time, and I would have only had to maybe detangle my hair once. But now I'm doing it for the second time, so please take note of that. Anyway, I was detangling my hair and trying to twist it up, and I got really cold, so I decided to put a shirt on. So moving back onto that same section, I just went ahead and grabbed my comb again, try to detangle it, and I do put the oil and the leave-in conditioner on as I go, just in case my hair is super tangled. Alright, so that is all I'm doing here. I am brushing through, applying my oil, making sure my hair is completely detangled, and then I go back in with a little more oil, apply it to the shaft of my hair, and then twist it up. Alright, so moving on to the next section here. This took me about 30 to 40 minutes to completely detangle and wrap or twist my hair up. I'm excited to see the full length of my hair, and a lot of you want to know what the current state of my hair is. So I think in the next video, or at least in one of the upcoming videos, I'm going to do a length check so you can see what I'm working with, especially if you're following along the journey with me. But I'm going to try to do that as soon as possible. Alright, so just detangling and twisting here and applying my oil as I go. I'm just going to do this for the rest of my hair. And then I'm going to braid my hair into a protective style, apply my oil on my scalp, and keep my protective style for about a week or at most 2 weeks. And then I'll repeat the process. Alright family, so this is my simple weekly wash day routine. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, please comment any questions or concerns down below, and I'll do my very best to respond to them. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.